In a busy healthcare practice, responsibilities can quickly pile up, follow-ups are missed, communication becomes fragmented, and important actions can fall through the cracks. The GoodX Tasks feature brings structure, accountability, and control to your daily operations. Tasks provide a centralized working list that helps your team manage responsibilities, coordinate workflows, and stay on top of critical actions. Whether it's an administrative request, patient communication, or a clinical follow-up, every task is clearly defined and tracked from start to finish. Nothing is left to memory. Everything is documented. Each task includes clear instructions, deadlines, and priority levels, ensuring staff know exactly what needs to be done, who is responsible, and when it must be completed. Urgent tasks are immediately visible, allowing your team to respond quickly and focus on what matters most. Communication becomes structured and reliable. With dedicated request and feedback sections, instructions are recorded, progress is documented, and outcomes are captured in one place. This creates a transparent workflow where every action is traceable and accountability is built into the process. Workloads remain organized even in high-volume practices. Powerful filtering and sorting tools allow staff to quickly locate tasks by priority, date range, assigned user, or status. Teams can manage large task volumes efficiently, ensuring daily operations run smoothly without confusion or delays. Collaboration becomes seamless. Tasks can be assigned to specific individuals or shared across multiple team members, supporting coordinated teamwork and clear responsibility. Templates can also be created for recurring processes, automatically populating task details and standardizing routine workflows. And when action is required, the system executes with precision. Tasks can trigger workflow events such as patient communication, documentation, or administrative processes. Tasks can also be configured to work alongside your scheduling workflows, linking actions directly to the relevant diary and ensuring seamless coordination across your practice. Each task remains linked to the relevant patient record, ensuring full visibility and continuity of care. The result is a more efficient practice, stronger teamwork, and better patient outcomes. GoodX Tasks, structured workflows, clear accountability, complete operational control. Discover more and view the link in the description below.